Hi, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever time you're watching this video. Thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos. So, if you're new, please subscribe. And if you're my old subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my content. Please subscribe, kindly subscribe to the channel. And I really appreciate. Kindly subscribe on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Really appreciate your support, guys. So, if you haven't watched the previous video, go watch it. I have so many videos there. So today's video is actually cooking sossi. This is sossi, yeah, sossi shucks. It is meat. It has many flavors: chicken flavor, meat flavor. Yeah. So this is for our supper. I noticed that my baby boy likes this. So this is what I'm going to cook for supper. It is eaten with ugali and also rice if you want to have it with rice, and also spaghetti. Yeah. So let's start. This is our saucy. Yeah. I put it in the bowl here. Yeah. That's our saucy sharks. So before we fry it, we have to soak it in water. So that it can be soft. Yeah, it has to soak for like 2 minutes. For me, that is how I do it. I don't know how you do yours. Meanwhile, these are our spices. Yeah, for the saucy, I have cut the hoho, the tomatoes, and we have our Royco cubes here. Royco cubes here. You see, that Royco cube makes it so tasty, very nice. And we have our salt here. Yeah, just ready to cook. Me, I actually like cooking my spices once in one plate. Yeah, I don't like separating. I don't have that time. And then we have our onions here, ready, and the cooking oil already. And then here we have our cooking pot, another for ugali. So I'm going to cook maize portion meal now. Yeah, so let's on our gas. Yeah. Yeah. Here we go. Whoop. There we go. Baba kula nyame yako. So, with this one, you have to be very careful. You're supposed to put a little salt because you're going to use the Royco cube. So, Royco cube has salt in it. So, you don't have to actually put a lot of salt. So, our onions are already cooked. Looking nice, right? I actually love my onions when it is brown like that. Then, we are going to put the spices right away. Yeah, there we go. Let me tell you guys why I love cooking, putting my spices once. Because sometimes I have that sharp heart, like if I smell the food is not cooked well, I feel like I will throw it out. So, I just love it. So we are going to put our Royco cube. Also Royco cube, I like it to be cooked. Yeah, I don't like putting it when the food is cooked. It will taste bad. Yeah, it will really taste bad. So you have to cook it once. Yeah, like that. Then you're just going to cover it and let it cook with on a low heat. Yeah, until the tomatoes is very soft. Oi, hot. Our tomatoes. Our tomatoes is ready. Hi, guys, if you can feel the aroma. Hi. Let me cook and serve my baby to enjoy. He's even here. You started your work, right? You better go. So, this is our sossi. Yeah, we're going to drill some more. Actually, I'm the only one in the house. I'm holding my phone. So don't mind how you're seeing it. Hey, I beg. I don't want for my food though. So, that is it. You just have to rinse it. And then, what next? We put it in the saucepan. Yeah. Just like that. And then you're going to stir it. Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. Mix it. Just the way you are seeing. Mix it, mix it, mix it. For me, I love to put the soup there because of my baby. And yeah, he cannot eat it dry like that. I just like to put some little soup for him. Yeah. Just little soup. Just for it to boil, to cook, and remove that smell. Baba, remove the ball from the utensils. Just like that. Can you see that? Can you see that soup closely? It's enough for it to cook and bring that nice soup. Guys, it is yummy. So you cover it and let it cook on a low heat. You can see? Very low. So let's wait and let it cook and see how it is gonna look. Let's check our sossi shots. Ooh. Ooh. Just as yummy as that. So that is a soup I actually like. Little and tasty, right? So we are ready to serve. Ready to serve for my baby. This is ugali for my baby. So let's have him. That little soup is very healthy. Yeah? That little soup is very, very healthy. Very nice, very tasty, very healthy. Yeah. So that is our food. That is our sossi. You can see that very nice, looking nice. So thank you so much for watching my video. Subscribe, share, like, comment. I'll see you tomorrow again at this time. Thank you so much and have a good bye.